A Tesla vandal in Brooklyn was caught on camera slamming a brick with the word Nazi and the swastika on it into the windshield of a Cybertruck. The individual then dumped a bag of garbage on it before fleeing the scene. The lady opens up a stranger's garbage in Brooklyn and touches it with her bare hands. That's some serious mental illness. These knuckle-draggers can't comprehend that buying a product doesn't mean support for the owner of that company. The lady kept going back to do something more. Obviously the feelings of righteousness promised by the programming weren't cutting it with just a painted brick. This is so sad, criminal but pointless. All it will achieve is a criminal record at best. This kind of behavior has no place in our communities. Let's stand up against hate and support a more respectful, inclusive society.